Even here, water can be found. A newly hatched sandgrass chick enjoys extreme heating. If it doesn't get water within hours, it will die from dehydration. This is a severe test for the sandgrass parents too. The entire burden falls on the male sandgrass. It travels 200 kilometers daily just to bring back fresh water for its chick. Flies increase the difficulty of collecting water. This is precisely why sandgrass nest far from water sources. This is the only water source for miles around. The cries of its starving chick drive the male sandgrass to defy death. The soft feathers on the sandgrasses belly are highly absorbent. They can soak up about 40 milliliters of water, roughly a quarter of its body weight. The weight of the water significantly reduces the sandgrass's flight speed. If danger strikes, escape is very difficult. The chick seems unable to bear the intense heat any longer. Fortunately, the male sandgrass returns just in time. The chick greedily enjoys the hard-won moisture. This brings a chance of survival. For the next 2 months, the male sandgrass must make this water run every day. It cannot afford a single mistake. Even where water seems more plentiful, some creatures still labor tirelessly to collect it. This small, unremarkable puddle will soon welcome nature's water carrier. This Jamaican land crab is about to become a parent. It must store enough water before its babies are born. But it has no built-in container for carrying water. How will it manage? The land crab's body has specialized hairs. Using surface tension, it traps a thin film of water. Within just a few minutes, its body is coated with precious water. But the journey back requires extreme care. If its body brushes against anything, the surface tension breaks. The land crab is barely the size of a coin. An empty snail shell serves as its natural shelter. It lays its eggs in the water it brings, guarding the entrance against intruders. The eggs hatch in the maintained moisture. Each hatchling is no bigger than a grain of rice. The young crab shells are very fragile. If they dry out, they will die from dehydration. For the next several months, the mother crab must continuously ferry water back and forth until her young develop the ability to survive on their own.